I'm here to talk about adding pictures to your site. You could drag the widget down into here and you can add the picture. I am big into folders. For example, I'm going to click up here on files. It shows files here. What I want to do, I'm going to open up the Hudson River folder. I want to create a new folder and I want to call this Walkway Bridge. That way I can put photos in here, and I open up the folder and I'm going to click on upload files, and it's showing a few files here. This isn't the folder that I want, so we have to do a little bit of browsing. So I'm going to go into photos. That's not the correct folder here. I click on, I'm using a Windows computer, so I will go into the folder Hudson River Walkway, and there's a few photos that I want. I'll just take in a few odds and ends here. I use a control click. So it brings them up into here. Now, let's say I have to do a little bit of cropping with a photo. I click on this photo here. Do you see this little pencil here? It's called Edit with Aviary. It comes into here. I can crop this. I click on the crop, pull it down, make it narrower, deeper. Let's say I want it like this. Apply. You have other ratios here. You can do a lot of things here. Effects, high def, illuminate, color fix. Some of these may work. If I like it, I would say apply. If not, I cancel. Contrast. So you can see it going into there. Apply. Next thing here, there's other things over here I can do, which is good. I could put text in here. Text, and I would type in here. And if I want to change the color, I can make it red. Apply. I have it. So there's a lot of things you can do. I'm going to click on save. I've done that. Now, however, it's still showing it there. I'm going to click in this edit with Aviary. It's showing what is correct here. I want to make it smaller. It might be too big. I go into the corner. Wrong one here. Cancel. Resize. And let's say I want about half the size. I just type 600. It keeps the proportions because it's locked. Save. Now what I want to do, I want to put a picture in here. I drag the picture widget into here, and then I go into my folders, and I'll use that photo that I just used. Even though it's not showing correctly, it will work. I've got the bridge there. Other thing too, I want to do, I decided I want an effect here. I can click over here. Edit. I could do other things here. Edit with Aviary. It shows the photo here. Let's say I want to put a frame on it. Make it look like a negative. Apply. Save. I could put a link behind here. I could change the image. I'll say save. It's taking a minute. Very bizarre. I'm going to go back here, select the image again. Save. It does get, I hate to use the word funky sometimes. It is free. And I could just go here. I have the yada yada here. And I say, and then I could type more text here. It's giving us this lorem ipsum here, and I'm working mostly with the photos here, and I will say a view of the bridge from the walkway, from the and we've done that. And if I want to put another little picture here, let's see if it works here. I'm going to click on picture, drag this little widget down to here, and let's say I'm going to go into Hudson River. I'm going to go into walkway bridge here, and I'm going to go and add this here really big. I'm going to click inside here, edit, and then I'm going to click on Aviary. The more you do it, the easier it gets. And what I'm going to do here, I'm going to crop it down a bit. Make it like the same proportions. Apply. And the next thing I'm going to do, I want to resize the picture. Make it 600. Apply. Save. And I'm going to click on save again. I lost the picture here. Select image. I click on this guy here. Save. It's smaller. I could pull this up. Now I've got that up here. Go. It's not the most user-friendly thing to use, and what I'm going to do now, if I want to make it smaller, I click on edit. I'm going to click on edit here, and then I'm going to edit with Aviary. I'm going to make it smaller, resize, make it 400. As I'm saying, I'm not doing perfectly here. Save. I have to again reselect the image. Click on this. Save. So I have that picture there. Trying to get it into here. What I would have to do, let me explain this. I'm using columns. You get 2 of them here. I'm going to get rid of this stuff here. Didn't mean to do that. Hit the delete here. The text is gone. What I'm going to do, I have to put in another 2 columns here. So I click on columns, drag this to here, and what I can do, drag this into here, and then I could go into here with some text, and I will just create a text box here. I'm just going to leave an empty text box here. I'll just type in yada yada to keep it easy. I have another text box here. I don't want that anymore. Hit the X. Yes, I want to delete that widget. Now this widget here is a little bit too narrow. I'm trying to stretch this. You can pull things out and in. And I'm just going to delete this. I'm going to start this again. Sometimes it's easier. I don't need this. I have that text box there. Now I'm going to just go into picture, drag the widget into this other side of the column, and I will go into Hudson River, walkway bridge, cyclist. Finally have it done. I save, I publish, and you've got some tips on how to work with photos.